show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and then what I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can.
So this is the wig. You can see it came already pre-plucked and it has center part, which means I don't need to work on it. You can see if I want to pluck it little, I don't think so. I think I'm going to install the wig like this. You can see it. Alright, so when you order this wig, you don't need to pluck it anymore, and it came with baby hairs. And this is the back. I'm going to install this wig the way it came because everything is done already, so I don't need to do more. If I want to pluck it, I can pluck little from here and here as well, but I think there is no need for that, so I'm going to leave it this way and let's install it and see. See the root, and the party is long. You can even take it longer, the more if you want it more longer, you can see, because the lace is up to this part. Okay, it's up to this part you're seeing here, and also you can put it in a side part. For instance, if you want it by the side here, you can put it, because the lace is, if you can see this, is it 13 by 6 or 13? It should be 13 by 6. I'm going to check. I'll put it on the description box. All this information about this unit will be on the description box. So check the description box in case you are interested. I believe it's 13 by 6. I'm going to check and put it on the description box. Okay. So that is it. I love the color and the waves. Alright, let's install this wig and see. I'm so happy about it because I don't need to do much. It's just to install it in the installation. And the lace is kind of brown. See it on my skin. Okay. See it on my skin. It's kind of brown, so I'm not bleaching the knots. I'm going to use air brush legs on it, which is this one that I normally use. So I'm just going to use this on the knots.
Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Oh, then we couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So guys, that is it for this tutorial. This hair from XY wigs. I'm going to leave the details to it on the description box. So if you're interested, head down to the description box. The link to it, direct link to this unit, will be on the description box. And I'm going to check if there's any discount code. I'm going to include it as well on the description box. If you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button? All right, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.